Hey guys, I'm in my pajamas, so don't mind that. Today I'm going to be mixing two of my favorite slimes. This blue regular slime and this blue fluffy slime. They're both called icebergs, so I always get mixed up. But they're nice swirls until they start melting in a way. So let's start mixing. So this one's a very fluffy slime. So I'm kind of scared to do this. I think I'm just going to pop it on top. I can't believe I just did that. So it's going to be a weird slime. Stay right there, guys. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. My mom just told me something quick. It's really cool, actually. Like, can you guys see, like, the two different colors? That's, like, really cool. I think after this, I'm going to add a little bit more shaving cream. So, I don't know if I'm going to add more shaving cream. That's so cool. And if you didn't see the video of me making the regular slime, which I put a little bit of shaving cream in it, the shaving cream kind of like melted in the slime in a way, so it's not really fluffy anymore. So I just called it regular. But I just made that slime to do this video, and I really like that one. Okay, I made a decision on not putting any shaving cream besides this little bit that's popping out. It's really distracting me. Okay, let's mix that in. It's kind of cool because when you stretch it, or just broke. You guys hate when your fluffy slimes break? Like when you're stretching it, it just randomly breaks. That's how I feel right now. It's so good. I just love this. It's so fluffy. It's so nice. Such a nice slime. Do you guys think I should add anything to the slime, to make it a little bit better? Or should I just keep it like this nice slime? I'm poking it. Because I feel like we should add some silver glitters to make it really pretty. But I'm also thinking not to, because I want to have a plastic slime in a way. It's stretching. I'm not gonna go all the way down. Such a nice slime. I don't know what I'm doing. I also want to show you guys another slime that I have. It's also a fluffy slime. Okay, let me get it. It's a Tosia. Holy crap! Can you guys see how far the bubbles went? Oh. I'll be right back with this opened. I just got a little help from my mom. Okay. Now. Oh my god, I really want to show you guys. That felt so weird. Yeah, so this one I need to fix because I really need to reactivate this one. It feels watery. Try and get it out. Or I just need to put some more shaving cream. It's also stringy. Feels watery. Wow, that was a good pop. I don't know, should I keep it just like this? I mean, I could always make another purple fluffy slime. Another purple regular slime because it was special. And when it was special, it was fluffy. So I think I'm going to keep it fluffy while adding some more shaving cream. My mom named this one Easter eggs or something like that, or Eastery, or Easter special. So this one's kind of special to me because my mom named this one. She knows what slime is. So she just named this really cool for me. I'm gonna do a little piece. I hate mixing it. It gets all like weirdy. She's upset, she's going off about something that you said. You never get my humor like I do. I wear t-shirts, she wears. Wait, I wear t-shirts, she wears tank tops. No, belly shirts. I wear t-shirts, she wears belly shirts. I wear sneakers, she wears high heels. I wear long pants, she wears short skirts. I don't know the song, so don't comment down below that I sing I'm horrible, because if you saw my other video, I can really sing. This is such a cool slime. What if we mix purple and blue? What would that make? It would make the galaxy. Dreaming about the day when you go with what you're looking for has been here the whole time. Here the whole that's why you didn't all the time. Why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. You belong with me. So, sorry here, I'm going to fix that really quick. Wait, this is such a cool fluffy slime. It's a nice purple color. It's really special to me because my mom named it. Me and my mom are like best friends. Me and my mom are like the bestest friends ever. Me, my mom, and my sister are like the bestest friends. we can never do anything without each other. So this one's like not very much a fluffy slime, but it is in a way. So yeah, like once you start like playing with it, it starts getting fluffy. This one I just think is like a really cool slime. And I just made this one with one bottle. And it's like a big slime. Like you can use one bottle with fluffy slime and like make this like a gallon slime. No, like more like a half a gallon slime. No, not like you know, like Just Nick uses that type of gallon. One of those, like a half of those. A half of that. That's how big this slime can get with one little bottle of glue. Sure can go a long way. I'm poking it with a finger. I'm poking. Oh my god! I almost just poked a bubble. The thing I love about fluffy slime is that it's so fluffy. It feels like you're like touching a cloud. Who discovered slimes? I want to thank them. So jiggly too. You captain in I'm no bleachers, dreaming about the day that we're gonna know. Looking for has been here the whole time. All the time. All the time. So why can't you see? You belong with me. I need to fix my chair. Started to stick it again. Ooh, I want to swirl. With a fluffy slime, it's kind of hard to make a swirl, but for me, it's kind of easy. You just kind of have to like keep doing that to make the lines, and then after that, you just kind of swirl it. Perfect. That's so weird. And fluffy slime is like really good bubbles. This time Jaden pokes his slime. That's how he pokes his slime. Till I taught him, and now he goes like this. He goes like that now. So annoying. Like, can you poke? Like, can you like squeeze? Like, can you poke slime? I didn't actually say that, but funny if I did. It looks so dark at the camera, but it's like this nice color. Maybe from a different angle. Let me see if I can make it. Type of color it actually is. There you go. You guys can actually see the color now. See how light it is? Look at that. Like, look over there. Such a nice. See how light it is? And I also want to see how light the other fluffy slime is in the camera. Yep, that's the true color. Can we go get a container? Let's go get the container. Unexpected. It hurt my toe. Perfect. Oh, I fell. This one of my old lunch things. When I need to use it, I can clean it out. I can try and I can buy some more containers. So you put like probably one whole slab in there and two in there. So let's see which one this blue one fits in. Looks like it fits in the small one. That looks purple. This one still has a container, so this one can go in its original container. Plop. Let me screw this on first. So now I can just right there. Oh, sorry guys. Bye guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. Peace out.